So Daz has got the dash cam in his hand and we're just deciding where to put it. Now I would have put it right in the middle on the glass, but Daz has come up with a good point to stick it.
Show it from the outside.
Yeah, I'll do that next. Okay. To stick it up on the black. So
the camera's just offset there, so
yeah,
it works.
So we'll go around to the front. So there looks quite neat, and then if Daz drops it down, yeah, it doesn't look as smart. So we're going to go on the black.
So it'll look better because the sticky pad is on the black, so you don't see it from the outside, and then the sticky pad will actually stick better to that than it would the glass. And then if you're wondering, on this one the camera moves, so you can adjust it depending if you've got the angle of your screen, so we don't need to worry about that. Right, now we've got to run some cables.
Right. What are you doing, Dad?
We're making it neat. Taping the wires together. Doing a nice job, you know.
Oh yes, sir. Doing a good job.
Trying to.
We're keeping them topped up with tea though.
Room quickly, don't you? So we need to get that down there. There's micro fuses and short fuses, long fuses. Not that one. Not that one. Is it that one?
What are you doing, Dad?
Looking for an earth. Might need to. You think they'd have done them yellow and red, so that's that. How does that look?
Yeah, that looks straight. Huh?
It's on now.
Outside to see if it looks good.
Yeah, you go outside, huh?
Right, just to explain, this is part one, and the job's not finished yet, but so far, dash cam's easy to do, but it's just routing the cables. So we took that off, dropped that, took that, so I could just release headlining a little bit, run the cable down there, into the fuse box. But it's on there now, and if any of you with an auto trail have been asking if a dash cam fits, so there's plenty of room for it there. On this cam, you can change the angle of the camera, which I'm sure you'll adjust once you've turned it on and seen where it points. And then we've got, that camera's got a rear view camera, but we're going to use it as an interior security camera because it's activated with motion, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So I've run the cables is one, and it splits. We've got the cable here, and then once we've got it set up, we'll plug the camera in to just see how wide
the lens
lens is, so then we can either decide to put the camera here or down at the other end, not too far from this location, because you don't want loads of wires visible. So that's there ready to dry fit the rear camera and check it out. And anything else to add? Anything, Harvey? Enjoyed yourself? Okay.
I've learnt loads. So this is part 2 of the dashcam video. So as Daz said previously, we were going to use a rear view camera as a security camera. So at the minute I've just stuck it in position with frog tape, and where it is at the minute it covers the sliding door and the passenger door. So we're going to go out for a drive shortly just to test it out. So the first drive with the dash cam going, I've just checked the app and I've adjusted the camera slightly up so the picture looking a bit better, and so far it looks super clear on the app as well. My road.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Your Lexus cost a lot to scratch. Yeah. You really want me to scratch your Lexus or keep your...
Trace just watching the end of the sunset.
That's lovely.
So one good thing I like about this dash cam is if you've got the blind up, I mean we're not completely fully up at the minute, and you heard something outside, you can just look at your phone and see who's about.
Thought it'd be helpful to talk about the dash cam and what we actually got.
Yes.
So it's Road Angel Halo Pro, and because, well, you can plug it into the cigarette lighter, so it's got the attachments for the cameras and the reversing camera, but we chose to hardwire it in because Daz is a highly technically well-trained chap who knows what to do.
Yeah,
as you've seen.
And with it hardwired, I mean it looks really smart. You've got no cables hanging down, but the reason we wanted it hardwired as well is because without the hardwire the parking mode doesn't work. So to have the parking mode you have to have it hardwired.
So we've had to, well, Daz very kindly bought us the kit, and it comes with a number of different fuse types. So standard, micro, and I suppose mini or MIDI, who knows. So we've used obviously the 2 spurs that fit our fuse system. So these are spares, which we will give back to Daz because I'm sure there'll be a camper van somewhere he can use those on. And as a result, we have got a reversing camera. Getting that to the back to use as a reversing camera would take a lot of dismantling of the van. So Dash's great idea was if we put it where it is temporarily at the moment, it would actually cover the doors.
Yeah, so we've got it so it covers this door and it covers the passenger window.
Which means that when it's in park mode, if we're away from the van and somebody attempts entry, we can start recording, and if we're close enough, come back and sort them out.
Yeah. So the next plan is we are going to put it inside the cupboard, so the wires will go, we'll drill a hole up there and that side, so make it all nice and neat. But we've just got it taped at the minute. Just make sure we had it in the right position.
Say, yeah, we need to. It's not quite right, is it? We can found that out. So
yeah,
that's been an important bit of learning as well.
And also, if we were to have it on the back door, because of the barn doors, it would make it really.
Well, it wouldn't work, would it?
Yeah, it's not going to work. So I think what we've decided to do is quite a good idea.
Yep. We'll get it all set up when it's properly done. We'll show you.
We'll show you it in another another video.
Right. I think we're going to bin that.
Yep.
And we're going to bin that. It's well packed, this actually. So put that in there. This in here.
I can't give you the price of how much it costs because Dad and George bought it for our Christmas present.
Which is very nice.
Yeah, but yeah, it's pretty decent.
Yeah, so put it all back together and it comes in this really lovely box. Whoops. Well, there's the rest of it. We don't need that.
I think Road Angel have got quite a few different types of dash cams.
Yeah.
So it might be worth looking on their website.
Yeah, absolutely.
But this one seemed pretty good.
There we go. And then obviously that goes normally round there, and that's the details if you want the QR code.
Right, that's us signing off.
Okay.
Dash cam duties complete.
See ya.
So the dash cam is good as well, so it's got built-in GPS, so it records your journey and it records your performance as well, as in how hard you accelerate and brake.